Say hi. You're going on a blog. You know, the uncut, uncut blog.
It's too late.
Say something funny, because you're supposed to say funny stuff on our blog.
Yeah. You are not funny. Shut up.
She's not funny. We're gonna take Pete. That's hilarious. He didn't even open his mouth yet.
That was funny.
Okay, Pete. So we made a ruling tonight.
Let's tell some jokes.
Now we're gonna make. This is very serious. We're gonna make. This is a very serious statement, Pete. We made a ruling tonight. What's the ruling?
I can't say it.
It's hard, I know, but we have to be strong. And should we say it together?
No.
It might help with support.
Coles are okay.
Yeah. Coles are okay. We don't hate them anymore.
No, we like them because of their gameplay.
So the reason why this movie clip is in English is because Jan Maria here. Coles. Coles.
I thought you said tools are okay.
Tools are okay. Tools are okay.
Glad to
He
know
really
we don't
is.
hate them anymore. I mean, I hated them for a while. But
Shut up.
I'm over it now.
We all do.
So Coles are winning tonight, and that's why we like them. So that's the ruling tonight. Sorry, everybody. Congratulations,
Wait,
Ellen.
What's the other team again?
Strawberry.
What's the
That's
team
a
that we
starburst.
don't like?
Another team we don't like.
Yeah. No, what's the team the other team plays?